On the occasion of the National Handlooms Day, the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Kavinder Gupta, graced the celebrations held at the Eco Park, Leh. Marking the significance of the day, he also inaugurated a special handloom and handcrafts exhibition at the Leh main market. The event highlighted the Ladakh's rich weaving heritage and aimed to promote the local artisans and the traditional crafts, drawing attention to the importance of preserving and supporting the handloom culture. Chairman AAI Vipin Kumar reviewed the infrastructure progress at the Leh airport, focusing on the new terminal building. Emphasizing the timely completion by October 2025, he highlighted its strategic and the civilian importance. The visit reflects the government's commitment to enhance the aviation connectivity in high altitude and remote regions like Ladakh. In a major development, Ladakh police arrested the 9 individuals in connection with the case which were registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, that is, POCSO Act. The arrests were announced during the press conference where the officials highlighted the seriousness of the crime and the swift action taken. Police assured that a thorough investigation is underway to ensure the justice for the victims. The case underscores for the Ladakh police commitment protecting the children and upholding the law in sensitive and serious matters. The University of Ladakh inaugurated the Enterprising Ladakh office at its Leh campus in collaboration with EDII Vice Chancellor Professor Saket Kushwaha and EDII DG Dr. Sunil Shukla, who praised the initiative's role in promoting the entrepreneurship, skill development, and sustainable livelihoods across the Ladakh, especially in Leh and Kargil regions. SDM Khalse Mohammad Sharif chaired a review meeting with the HODs and officials to check the preparations for the 79th Independence Day. Key arrangements including the security, sanitation, cultural programs and the medical aid were discussed. All the departments were directed to ensure the timely completion of the task for the smooth conduct of the celebrations.